Welcome to the Al-Dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss mastering Quranic study with a focus on articulation points of letters. We'll cover practical tips and techniques to help you improve your reading and understanding of the Quran. Importance of articulation points. In Quranic study, articulation points are essential for pronouncing the Quran correctly. Knowing the articulation points helps enhance your recitation and comprehension. Tips for enhancing Quranic reading skills. 1. Learn articulation points. Start by identifying the articulation points of each letter. Utilize educational resources like videos or live lessons. Second, daily practice. Set aside time each day to practice reading the Quran, focusing on the letters and their points of articulation. 3. Listen to professional reciters. Listen to renowned reciters like Sheikh al-Husari or al-Minshawi. Try to mimic their pronunciation and style. Use educational apps. There are many apps available that offer lessons on Quranic tajweed and explain articulation points in a simplified manner. 5. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps improve your pronunciation. Focus on each letter and how it is articulated. Techniques to enhance understanding. 1. Tafsir and reflection. At-tafsir wa tadabbur. Read the interpretation alongside the verses to understand their meanings. Reflect on how the verses relate to your life. Second, regular review. Al-muraja'atu al-mustamirra. Make it a habit to review what you've read. Regular review strengthens memory and reinforces knowledge. ثالثاً, المشاركة مع الآخرين. انضم إلى circles of study or reading groups. Discussing with others enhances understanding and makes learning more interactive.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.